So you push this button over here. I'm going to show this to you on a close-up in a few seconds. I'm going to just drop one of the bugs in here, and you can see that this one is, oof, it's melting. Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this bug zapper that is also like a racket that this band sent to me for this video. I have to say, I feel pretty bad about saying this, but kind of like catching the bugs with this at night, it is fun. It is kind of fun. I feel pretty bad of saying this, but if you have kids or something like that, just having two of this and bing, bang, zap together with the bugs could be really, really fun. I've seen other kids, like for example, I have my neighbor's kid playing with this. Playing with this or just like catching the bugs or something like that, and he was so happy because he was like bzz, doing that with the bugs, and it was kind of fun to see. I have no footage of that, sadly, because I didn't want him to be on camera, but I do have footage, as you saw before, like an introduction of what you can do with this and the bugs. You can actually catch like small ones, you can catch big ones, you can catch spiders, you can catch bees and wasps and things like that. So I think it's pretty cool. The thing about this one is, number one, super lightweight, so you're not gonna have any issues with zapping them when flying or something like that. And also it's super easy to come with just right here a place I'm gonna put the two batteries and just a button. So when you're pressing the button, that's it. When you're not pressing the button, nothing is happening. You can see that nothing is happening. See, so you don't have to worry about anything with the kids or things like that. You need to keep pressing the button right here. Let me show you this button over here. You need to keep pressing the button, and you will see a light at night, of course, right there, that it's going to be on when you're pressing the button over there. You can actually see it right now too as well. So what about showing you some footage of the bugs being zapped over here? But the bottom line is that I think that I like this one. Super fun to use and also works great. Let's see if it works with smaller ones like flies. And why not? Let's drop a big one. Last but not least, with a big one, you can see over here that this one is still zapping this big one as well. So this one works perfectly if you want to have fun with your kids or your friends and family, or just want to get rid of the bugs. This one could be a really good way of doing while you're out with your friends and family, or just having dinner or lunch, and you gotta get rid of the flies, the mosquitoes, the bees, or things like that. You can do it with this tennis racket that is super fun to use as well.